9 steps basics in Capcut. Step 1. Import file. Step 2. Understanding with the zoom tool. Step 3. Using split. Step 4. How to add speed fast or slow. Step 5. How to reverse the video. Step 6. How to extract audio from the video. Step 7. How to import audio. Step 8. Understanding with the animation. And step 9. How to export file to the video. Step 1. Import file. First, you need to click on this button, News Project. And after, you need to import your video. Click on this button, Import. Scroll to select your video from your device. Finish, click Open. If you want to play the video, you can click this button. And one more way, you need to track the video on the timeline. Click on this button to create the video on timeline. Step 2. I want you to understand about zoom in Capcut. So this is button if you want to zoom in or out in Capcut. If you click on the minus button, the video on timeline will small. And if you click these buttons to the plus buttons, the video timeline will large. And one more way that you use the shortcut key, you can press Ctrl and key minus or plus. Step 3. If you want to delete the right time of the video, you can put the timeline on here and click on this button to delete the right time. One more way that you can use the shortcut key, you can press the key W. To save this point, I want to delete the left time. I just click on the time here and click this button to delete the left time. One more I want you to understand with the split tool in the Capcut. We use this tool because we want to cut the 2 frames of the video. This example here, I just put my timeline here and I click on this button to split the video. And the result, I have 2 frames of the video here. Okay, this is ready for step 3. This is the step 4. I will show you how to edit speed, fast or slow in Capcut. If you want to adjust the videos to slow or fast speed, you can click on the timelines of the video and then click on speed button and click on this put to the right for make speed faster. Okay, the step 4 ready. Step 5, I want you to understand about to use this reverse button in Capcut. That can help you to back your action of the video that you want. Okay, now I place the video, and this is the normal action before we adjust it. Okay, now I back the action here, to start the timelines, and click the video, and after click on this button to reverse the videos to back the action here. So this is the result after we click on the reverse button. Step 6. I will show you about how to extract the audios in Capcut. Okay, first you just right click on the video on timeline and I click on extract audio here. Alright, the audio will extract from the video. And if you want to combine the video with the audio, you can click the audio and with the video. Right click and click create compound clip. Okay, now the outcome of the video that's already combined. With step 6 ready. Step 7. I will show you how to import audios in Capcut. First, I need to split the video. Next, I need to extract the audio file. Delete the audio. Okay, now I need to import the audio. I click on this button and click on this and click on import. Choose the audios from your device and click open. Now I need to split the audio to play sound in this video. And after, place the video.
Oh, come on.
Okay, with step 7 ready. Step 8. I will show you how to set the animation in Capcut. If you want to arrange the video and or start has the animation, this is you can preset. First, you need to click on the video, and after, click on this button, animation. There's two, in and out. The animation in is mean that the start of the video, and out is the action of the end. Okay, now you can choose any style that you want to set on the video. After you prepare the start video, I was to add the end of the video with the animation out. Okay, I choose this style. And one more, this button, if you want to make duration of the animation, you can click on it. Okay, now let's try to test the video to show the result. Step 9. How to export file. First, you can click on this button. Next, rename on this video. And if you want to keeping the location of this file, you can click on this button and choose the folder keeping on the computer. And ready, click on export. And next I will show you the video after export. Okay, so this is my file on desktop. Okay, video step 9 finished. Thank you for your love sharing.